friends! Today, Ziggy and I are going to learn about different types of weather.
Weather? What's weather?
Weather is what it feels like outside. It can be sunny, rainy, windy, cold, and lots of other things.
Oh, I see. Let's learn about the weather.
Great idea, Ziggy! When I say a weather word, you repeat it after me.
I can do that.
Here we go. Sunny.
Sunny.
The sun shines so brightly.
I can see the bright sun in the sky.
Sunny.
Sunny.
Dry.
Dry.
It feels dry outside.
Please drink your water.
Dry.
Dry.
Windy.
Windy.
The wind is blowing outside.
Look, the wind blew my hat.
Windy.
Windy.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
There are many clouds in the sky.
The clouds are covering the sun.
Cloudy.
Cloudy.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Rain is falling from the clouds.
My rain boots and an umbrella.
Rainy.
Rainy.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
A thunderstorm can bring rain, thunder, and lightning.
I hear the thunder.
Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Foggy.
Foggy.
The fog makes it hard to see far away.
Everything looks cloudy near the ground.
Foggy.
Foggy.
Chilly.
Chilly.
It feels chilly outside.
Brr! I might need a jacket.
Chilly.
Chilly.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Snow is falling from the sky.
Look at all the snow.
Snowy.
Snowy.
Great job, Ziggy! We learned about many different types of weather today.
Sunny. Dry. Windy. Cloudy. Rainy. Thunderstorm. Foggy. Chilly. And snowy.
That's right! Weather can change from day to day, so take a look outside and see what the weather is like today.
What's the weather like where you are?
And remember, always get permission from a grown-up before going outside to experience the weather.
See you next time!
Be brave, be kind, be you.
Hit that like button and subscribe!
Mr. CTV. Rubia.